Today we have a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is Teen Cries for Mommy After Robbing USPS Worker at Point.
Put your fucking hands down! Get the fuck over!
He biting me!
Roll over now!
He biting me!
Roll over!
He getting you together.
On December 29th, a postal worker with USPS was robbed at gunpoint while delivering packages. The suspect got away with the victim's keys and mailbag in a stolen gray SUV. Later that afternoon, an officer spots the vehicle and initiates a pursuit when the driver tries to elude him.
They're going pretty fast.
Eastbound, 94 Dickens. Eastbound.
He ain't doing nothing with that SUV, man.
What version approved the pursuit?
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, right into the tree? Oh, okay.
Foot bail, foot bail, foot bail!
He ain't doing nothing with that. Foot pursuit. Dog ready to work. You hear him. You hear him.
Trash.
Look, he already know who to get.
Dog release, dog release! Dog caught him! Dog caught him! So
Good boy.
and 116. Put your hands down. Put your hands down.
Get down on the ground. Get them together.
Lay on your belly. Get on your belly. Get on your belly.
It wasn't me!
Get on your belly.
He biting me!
Get the over.
I
Get
can't!
the over.
He biting me!
Roll over now.
He biting me!
Roll over.
I can't!
Roll over now. Good job, buddy. Come on. Hold this arm. Hold this arm.
Oh boy, that dog is getting them together, boy. Good boy. Good boy. Now that is a good boy. He deserves extra treats, man. He's like, he's biting me. He's biting me. Yeah, he biting the shit out your ass, boy. And they, not only is he biting, he doing the little, you know, when they bite and they start to wiggle. Oh yeah, that's what is really starting to tear skin, boy. Oh, getting them together.
Let go of the dog. Let go of the fucking dog. Take your fucking hands off. Keep your hands off me. Okay, I'm stopped fighting. Hey, somebody secure the vehicle. It's gonna be just near.
Yep, we're good.
I got the driver.
You got cuffs? Yeah, stand by. You got it. You got it? All right.
You're an idiot. You're a fucking idiot. I'm glad you got fucking apprehended. Robbing motherfuckers.
Wait, no, I'm wrong. My body. Did you get him? Did you throw a gun or something?
I didn't see him throw a gun. He was running like this, so we can go back and track. We did a loop. He did a loop at the firehouse. He ran. I grappled him here. I turned, chased him in my car around to the firehouse. He looped around, so there's bushes right on the corner here. I got out and ran after him. After I sent the dog, I target locked him. Ran the dog, spun my car around and got on foot and then tackled him. When he jumped out by these bushes. I paralleled him with my car to dog bite him, send him out the side door. He ran here, double backed, did a U-turn in on foot the firehouse, then ran this way. So I just checked those immediate bushes to the left of the firehouse. I was out looking for this car, then I got word that it was used in a robbery. Yep. They were tracking the pings. He seen me come into McDonald's, 2 cars left. I grappled it in front of the firehouse on this street. Made impact, grappled it, ineffective. He bailed from it. I paralleled him with my car, put him on the dog side. He ran in a circle through the firehouse front. I got out, just opened up the door manually, tried to lock the dog tackled him over here. The bag's still in the back. He's in a car currently now but it was riding parallel with somebody else.
You the person I would ask if the dog is up to date on all vaccinations?
Yeah,
okay, all good. All right. Are you stepping in also?
Yeah, I'm gonna
go ahead and pull that for me then.
He can't even sit straight. Look at him. Oh boy. Oh man, that's a bad way to go to jail, boy. That's a bad way to go to jail. You can't even sit on your butt right, man. Oh, that dog got you together. Oh boy. And then you got an armed robbery? Oh yeah, you gone, man. We gonna see you in a couple years. You out of here.
He only bit you once?
Yeah.
All right, there.
Once was enough.
All right, I'm gonna pull these down just so we can take a look, okay?
Is it easier to stand up or no?
It might be easier right here.
Can
I assist you getting up?
Just because your pants are going to get torqued.
Right here. Okay. Just my touch here. Just checking this out, okay?
Look.
Superficial. I don't think there's any concern that like there's any some with dog bites things you gotta worry about. Making sure there's like no little teeth left or anything like that. That's usually just when it's like a big deep puncture wound.
They read your miranda warning. I'm going to just make this quick so we can get you a process to get you to jail. When you guys were at McDonald's, you see me pull in because you guys dipped out, right? Is that what happened? You see my marked sheriff cruiser? So you pulled out and went around the back of McDonald's. You saw my overhead lights, heard my overhead sirens? Yes. How come you didn't stop?
Childish.
Yeah. It's all right. I mean, we all make mistakes, man. I was a young kid at one time. It is what it is. So you saw the overhead lights, didn't stop. How come you didn't stop when you got out of the car, started running, you were clutching your waistband? Stuff like that's going to get you shot. And you don't have...
Yeah, we young. We all make mistakes, but we not robbing the postman. Armed robbery? Like, we ain't doing that.
Have pants that are sagging, so my concern was, why were you, when you got out of the car, grabbing your waistband? And you looked at me when you did it.
I didn't even realize I was doing it. I apologize.
Yeah.
But it was on, I don't know, I probably was thinking too fast. I had no gun or nothing, though.
Yeah, I mean, looking from my standpoint, a call came down for robbery of a postman in that car, you know what I mean? So when you got out on foot and I followed you in the car, you did a button hook in the firehouse. You said multiple opportunities to say, you know what, I don't want to do this no more.
I wanted to, but when the door got out, that's
yeah. But you made that button hook and then took off. You were already down 116 when I got the dog out. So when did you see me get the dog out?
Like when I was turning around, like
yeah. Did you try to get in any of those vehicles that were?
Oh no.
Because when I got to you were on top of the side
I tried to hop on top of the car from the dog.
And what he grabbed you before you can get up there, or he got up on the car with you?
No, he grabbed me before I can even touch the car. I tried to hop on it, like I was.
So as you were about to get up there, your leg was up there, about to get up there,
I was like this, and he grabbed me.
Yeah.
Snatched me right down.
And then you went straight down the ground, or you tried to get back on the car again?
No, I tried to get back up.
And you were on the ground the whole time when he got
me down.
Yeah, that's what they're supposed to do, right? No hard feelings. He's pretty sharp when it comes to that stuff. But as far as you weren't trying to get in the car, you were just trying to get on top of it.
No, sir.
So right now you're going to get booked. It's up in the air on how, but right now it's a federal hold on you at this time. So per what the gentlemen here that talked to you prior, before I came in and talked to you, they're going to be presenting this to AUSA, which is the federal district attorney. So you have state, which is me, just state charges, which is a pretty big deal, and then you have federal charges, which is like prison, like OG, triple OG prison time stuff. That's who they're with. So they're going to be booking you on a federal hold, reaching out to the district attorney's office, presenting the facts of the case, and then they're going to go forward with whether they're going to continue with some of the charges, all the charges, or if they're going to kick it back to the sheriff's deputies and go state charges. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Do you have any questions for me?
No.
All right.
Get this thing off here and get you out of this freaking hospital. And this is upside down. I was just gonna leave this on, but the eyelet's on the wrong side on this one. So you can go ahead and stand up for me, and then just face the wall.
So we'll walk them out. We'll get them secured. I'm going to see if I have one of those authorizations to hold. And it's a federal hold per the postal, and I'll get the name and put it on there.
We might have one in the back. I don't know.
Make sure if you remember anything.
There was a small little part right here, and you probably don't care, but the officer said he said something like he was gonna leave the leg irons on, but the eyelets are the wrong way, right? So when he takes it off, the eyelets is the part where you put the key in at and you turn it to, to lock it and stuff like, or to unlock it and whatever and stuff like that or whatever, and to double lock it. So with leg irons, the eyelets should be facing down, like towards the ground, not up. Because if they're facing up, it's easy for them to get, like, you know, whether they have like a little tool or whatever, like that they've made for themselves or whatever, or maybe they have a copycat handcuff key, whatever, make believe. You never know what they got on them, right? So, you know, they're supposed to be facing down because it would be a little bit more difficult for them to do it if it was down versus it being faced up, because if it was faced up, all they got to do is just reach down and just unlock it. So you're gonna notice this right here.
I was just gonna leave this on, but the eyelet's on the wrong side on this one. So
see how they were facing up? They're supposed to be facing down. And then the officer says, oh, sorry.
I was just gonna leave this on, but the eyelet's on the wrong side on this one. So you can go ahead and stand up for me, and then just face the wall.
So we'll walk them out, we'll get them secured. I'm going to see if I have one of those authorizations to hold. And it's a federal hold per the postal. And I'll get the name and put it on there.
We might have one in the back, I don't know.
Make sure, if you remember anything from this, is to take that antibiotic. You could forget about whatever conversation, but don't forget about taking that antibiotic, all right? Your ass cheek will swell up and you'll be hating life and you won't be able to fall asleep because you'll be sleeping on your butt cheek. Just take your antibiotic.
The 19-year-old suspect is currently facing trial and pleaded not guilty to aggravated robbery, possession of a stolen vehicle, unlawful possession of a firearm, eluding an officer, and obstructing justice. If you enjoyed this video...
Cooked. You're cooked. You're so cooked. They put you on a federal hold, man. You going to the feds, man. Armed robbery of the postman? Like, yeah, you're done. You're better off beating the state. You know, the state is always, it's easier to beat. The feds, no. It's a reason why the feds got like a 90-something% conviction rate. Because if they can't fully beat you in trial, they're gonna offer you a plea deal. You know what I mean? Because that's how they get that whole conviction rate, you know? Because you take them to trial in the feds, it's not like the state. Whatever you convicted of is the time that you're gonna get. It's a state guide. It's a federal guideline book. The judge don't even have no discretion for real. Like, it's out of the judge's hands. If you get convicted on X, Y, and Z, this is the time you're gonna get. So let's see real quick. Aggravated robbery. I'm gonna just do a quick Google search. Aggravated robbery. Federal guideline. Let's see. Guidelines. Aggravated robbery federal guidelines. See, so federal aggravated robbery guidelines, typically sentenced under often involves starting at 20 years with significant enhances. Started with 20 with significant enhances. So base offense level, general 20. How many years? So year 2024. The average sentence for federal robbery offenses was approximately 110 months. With the average minimum guidelines 123 months. 100. Come on, man. So let's just say 100. We just gonna say whatever. We just gonna say, let's just say at the low end, 100 months. 100 months. No, let's just say on the low end, 100 months. What is 100 months in years? You know, I'm not that great at math, but we're looking at 8 years. 100 months, 8.3. Like, so 8 years, 3 months, 8 years, 4 months, something like that. Like, just on the low end, they said the average for 2024 was 110 months. Like, that was the average. And then the minimums, come on, man. That's just what, damn. Like, you're just cooked. Like, you can't even mess around with the feds. Like, it's over with. So the best thing for the feds is like, okay, if you looking at X, Y, and Z offenses, the best thing you can do for the feds is try to get a plea deal before trial and go and get a lesser crime. Because you taking this to trial, you get convicted of this. It's 100 months. Just that one charge. We just talking that one charge. Look at this. We just talking that one charge. Aggravated robbery. We not even going into the possession of stolen vehicle, unlawful, like eluding an officer. Like, we not even going into all of that. That one charge, man, the feds, you don't want to play with them boys. You don't want to play with them boys, or you better hope to God that you can go to the state. Go to the state. You got better, it's more wiggle room. Your ass is cooked. You messing with them feds, boy. Them alphabet boys, they are not playing with you. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.